Okay, so sorry, mama. Okay, so what is the name of the company? Go ahead.
It's the Root Brands, and one of our top products is the Zero In.
Zero In?
Yeah. So here, we got some samples here today at Dreamhack, but Zero In is an all-natural supplement. It has anhydrous caffeine from coffee beans and seeds. It has vitamin D. It has N-acetyltyrosine, L-theanine, velvet bean seed, pine bark, and turmeric. Okay. All that combined gives you dopamine, serotonin, uplifting feelings, and there's no crash. So they have some sponsorships here, like Monster Energy Drinks, where you keep needing multiple energy drinks throughout the day to keep crashing.
Of course. Yeah, that's correct.
So it's all great.
I just had a Monster. Should I have had one of these instead?
Take it. Take one of these, take some samples. If you like it, we got 15% off of the event.
All right. Awesome. Take two at once?
Take two, man. Candy, take them. Awesome. All right, thanks, guys. Thank you.
No worries. So
you're giving him the pitch, but I just interrupted.
Go ahead. All
right.
So cleaner?
Yeah, so it's cleaner.
And
so
it's got L-theanine?
So it's L-theanine, and actually has the most bioavailable form of L-tyrosine, so it's N-acetyltyrosine.
Okay.
That's coupled with velvet bean seed, which is a precursor for L-dopa, which is the dopamine serotonin, so it's actually going to help your body absorb and be more bioavailable for dopamine. That being said, add that with the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric, you have all that together, and you have a great uplifting energizing effect with dopamine, so there's no stress, there's no drop off.
Okay. So how does it help you out to better sleep?
Better sleep.
Okay.
Funny enough, serotonin will convert to melatonin when you're sleeping. Yes. So serotonin surplus in your body means better sleep because you have more melatonin. All natural too. But once again, all natural, more focus, more energy, no crashes.
Yeah, basically, so I've been trying to, get out from energy drinks for a long time. Anytime I'm on Dreamhack Dallas, not Dreamhack Dallas, Dreamhack by itself, I gotta go with a Monster because I'm not able to keep it up. Like, you need caffeine, and if I do coffee, it's not gonna sit well sometimes, so you gotta know what you're drinking. Yeah. But this is a very good option, to be honest.
Hey, once again,
this is awesome.
Great, it's all natural stuff. 60 pills per box too.
Okay.
And there is no like, oh, I'm 5 hours after this, I need my Zero In. Like 2 hours after a Monster, you'll need, another Monster.
This is dope. I'm very interested in it.
Awesome. Well, thank you, man. Thanks for doing this. And I hope it.
What is your name?
Dylan.
Dylan, my name is DVC Warrior.
Yeah, too.
Yes, I'll try it for sure.
You go to a lot of things. Take some extra ones too, man. Trust me.
Oh no, I'm gonna be running these 3 days, so.
Hey, come back. We're all 3 days, so I'll give it to you when you get here.
Cool. Thank you, guys. We have, what is the name? Zero In?
Zero In.
Zero In. Yeah! Thank you. Así que, como les dije, muchachos, we got this. This is a day at Dreamhack without Monster, okay? O un día en Dreamhack sin Monster.
Most people like it.
I haven't eaten. I didn't took any coffee, so.
Nothing yet?
This is gonna be my first thing. Does it require food?
No. You
Okay.
can take it. If you take it on an empty stomach, it actually lasts longer.
Okay.
So, you should eat food at some point.
No, I'm gonna eat food. But I got some questions for you.
Yeah.
How you guys came out with the ayudó?
There's actually a scientist.
Yeah.
Who formed the
Of course.
company, and she used to work for drug companies, pharmaceutical companies. And she left it because she wanted to create products that were all natural and plant-based. And so this was one of her first products she invented because honestly, her kids drank so much energy drink, and she was so upset about it, and she knew it was bad. And so she decided to figure out a way to use plants. So that's the pine bark and the red velvet bean that would replace the sugar that you normally get.
Of course.
And so it started about 4 years ago.
Okay.
In the middle of COVID, actually, is when she started the company. And we've been really big into the health field, and then fitness has been really big.
Of course.
But then this year, Dylan actually wanted to get us into gaming. Because he said he has a couple buddies who are really into gaming, and he thought gaming would be really good because so many people drink energy drinks. And there's sugar-free energy drinks, but they still have added stuff. We talked about this yesterday. There's not really an alternative that doesn't have any sort of sugar. And so this is, you have no sugar and you have no sweetener. We're not, everything is actually just from plants. So, that's how we started.
That's a good story. See, that's what I was looking for.
I'm glad. I feel like sometimes companies have stories that aren't exciting.
Yeah, no, because I mean, usually, I mean, people will ask about how the product works, but I mean, sometimes when you go and talk to a company, basically, there's some either funny stories or good stories about how everything started. Because,
And there's usually a reason why they
yeah, there's always a reason.
There's some hole or something they see that's
No,
that's why it's needed.
yeah, no, that's, look, I was super sharp yesterday during the event.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I'm focused, I'm making it. And then I had the energy. The thing is like, we did the Hispanic Heritage Month celebration at the Kick booth.
Yeah.
And I mean,
How'd that go?
it was like 200 people out there, or like 100 people at some point. And then we started dancing and, you know, jumping around. And my legs went down, but I was still sharp for the rest of the event. I was like, I cannot move, but I'm good on energy, you know? Because, I mean, these events, you have to survive, basically. That's you have to go through.
It's a marathon. It's 3 days. So you gotta...
Four, because there was another event before.
Was there?
Yeah, the Creators Summit is called.
Okay.
That's like a
So you have an
short
extra
event.
day than we have, so that's even harder for you.
Yeah. Well, yeah, it was good to talk to you. I mean,
by.
I'll pass by later on, but yeah, you guys are awesome, man.
Thanks so much. I'm glad you liked it.
Well, guys, I'll give you the insight in a second. I'm with this sexy guy. Ok, so les voy a dar el lore de cómo comenzó la compañía en español. La científica que hace las pastillas, los neurotrópicos, vio que sus hijos tomaban mucha bebida energizante y dijo, coño, debe haber una alternativa. Crea este producto que es limpio, muy bueno la verdad, me mantiene enfocado. Una vez que comienza a hacer su efecto mágico, es como droga. Y no, o sea, me mantuvo con energía. O sea, la verdad es que ayer yo incluso fui a la fiesta y iba a manejar para la casa, pero dije, no, ¿sabes qué? Por motivo de seguridad prefiero no hacerlo, pero puedo, ¿eh? Bueno, para terminar este video, Zero In me ha cambiado la perspectiva de los suplementos neurotrópicos que puedes consumir, debido a que es una opción natural, sin azúcar, y que por supuesto a mí me va a ayudar a completar varias de mis tareas. Así que lo voy a recomendar, lo voy a consumir y tal vez haya más sorpresas. Así que se cuidan, nos vemos.